The Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G is the latest addition to the Tecno Camon series devices. Yeah, actually it was launched alongside the Camon 20 and 20 Pro. So, at the price tag of 293,000 Naira or $450, you're getting a clear 6.6-inch 1080 pixel AMOLED display, MediaTek Dimensity 850 octa-core processor, a 108 megapixel UltraWide camera, a decent battery life of 5000 mAh and other cool specs that will interest you. So for me to know more details about the Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G and without wasting much of your time, let's vibe on. What's up guys, it's Slot here. In today's video, we'll be doing a quick review on the all-new Tecno Camon 20 Premier. So starting off with the design and build quality, the Tecno Camon 20 Premier is a nice video smartphone from Tecno. It has a nice build quality and design. The design of this device is unique and Tecno does always bring out innovative design in every of their smartphones. So I like the fact that this device came with a leather matte finish on the rear. It makes it look pretty cool and appealing. This device also came with an under-display fingerprint sensor, triple camera lenses on the rear, and a punch-hole selfie cutout. Now let's talk about the display of this device. The Tecno Camon 20 Premier comes with 6.6-inch AMOLED display panel, a high refresh rate of 120 Hz with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. So viewing content on this device will be vivid, clear and sharp, plus haptic response while operating the device and scrolling through social media. The chipset behind the Tecno Camon 20 Premier is the Dimensity 8050 chipset from MediaTek that supports 5G connectivity for fast browsing speed while browsing on the internet. So you can check out your local area network to know if it supports 5G. Yeah, actually it is a 6nm built-on process, and also it is an octa-core processor CPU and Mali G77 MC9 GPU for better and smooth performance while scrolling on apps or navigating on sites. So gaming on this device won't be an issue at all, since it adapts 120 Hz of high refresh rate. You should expect smoother experience while gaming on high or low graphics. The Tecno Camon 20 Premier boasts an OS version of Android 13 based on iOS 13, but Tecno has assured that the Tecno Camon 20 series devices will be among the first smartphones to test the Android 14 beta version when it is out. So in simple terms, it can be upgradable to Android 14. As for the camera aspects of this device, the Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G comes with an innovative triple camera setup on the rear. Yeah, it is a 50 megapixel primary camera, 108 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and 2 megapixel depth sensor. Those cameras can record videos up to 4K resolution at 30 FPS, and they featured an electronic image stabilization and optical image stabilization for better camera experience. So on the front of the device, it comes with a punch-hole selfie camera of 32 megapixel for selfie shots. The Tecno Camon 20 Premier has a storage size of 8GB RAM and an additional 5GB virtual RAM with 512GB of ROM. And also, it comes with an under-display fingerprint sensor that responds to fingerprint very quick. Furthermore, the Tecno Camon 20 Premier is pretty solid when it comes to your day-to-day activities. Yeah, it has a decent battery life of 5000 mAh that supports 45 watts fast charge, so it can literally last you a whole day on a single charge. It's going to cost you $450 to purchase the 512GB storage variant of the Tecno Camon 20 Premier. While purchasing this device, you have two color options to opt from, which are Dark Ryokin and Serenity Blue. So the Tecno Camon 20 Premier is a nice video smartphone and an upgrade over its predecessor. But my question is, at the price point of $450 or 293,500 Naira, will you purchase the Tecno Camon 20 Premier? Just let me know down below the comment section. Let's interact. Yeah, so this is all for the Tecno Camon 20 Premier. Just let me know what you think about this device on the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell to always get notified whenever a new video drops on the channel. Thanks for watching and see you all on my next video. Peace.